Okay, now I'm going to give you some xylophone lessons. So I know the xylophone teachers are few and many in demand. Now look, okay, now look, here's the xylophone. And that is when I'm using these. I'm going like this. Okay, now look, you know. Now see, this is with these styles of xylophones, okay? Now look, when you put some toilet paper on this, listen to this difference, listen. And we're going to try that one more time again here. Now we're going to listen to it like this here. And that was without the toilet paper. Now we're going to try it one more time with the toilet paper. This is not a xylophone. They call it a glide stir counter or something. I don't know. But it's a metal, and it's not a, hold on. As you can tell, this siren is really getting on our nerves. But this is a metal one. This is not a xylophone. This is xylophones are wood. But if you listen to this. And then you listen to this. And I'm telling you that this one, because I put this toilet paper on, gives it more of a wooden sound, okay? And there's more things I'm going to show you, but that's just one.